Hello children, good morning everybody. How are you? Welcome to our channel Smart Study. In the last class we have learned the first lesson whole no animals food and feeding habits. We have completed this lesson, right? Now in this class I am giving notes. Okay. First we shall see the hard words. First one is what? Herbivores. See spelling Herbivores. Okay. Herbivores. Next one is carnivores. Car Nivores. Okay. Carnivores. Next one is what? Omnivores. If the spelling is big, what I usually say for children means you split that into 2-3 parts and read. It will be easy. See here, omnivores is there. You read as OMNI, omni, VORES, words, omnivores. Okay. Here, in these 3 words, if you observe what is common, you see last 6 letters IVORES. These 6 letters are common here. Here also again IVORES is there. Here also IVORES is there as common. Okay. So what you need to learn here? Here first 4 letters HERB here, CARN here, OMN. Okay. These are the spellings of the herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Okay. Next one is what? Predator. PREDATOR. Okay. Predator. PREDATOR. Next one, prey. 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 Sixth one is claws. 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 Okay. CLAWS. Claws. Next one is scavengers. Scavengers means SCAVENGERS. Okay. Next spelling is vulture. 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 Next one is hyena. 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 Last one, 10th one what? Ruminant. RUMI. Rumi. NANT. Nent. Ruminant. Next one is gnawing. 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 Okay. Next spelling is proboscis. Butterflies long sucking tubes, I told no, these are called as a proboscis. These long sucking tubes are called proboscis. No, spelling is PROBOSCIS. Proboscis. Next one, fangs. 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 The teeth of the snake are called as fangs. Next spelling is what? Poison. 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 Okay. Next, 15th one you see, nutrition. You should eat nutritious food, we'll say no. That one. NUTRITION. Nutrition. Okay. Last one is what? Disease. 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 Okay. Now you need to write all these hard words, okay, in your book. These are the hard words. Total 16 are there. You can write and learn. Now we shall move to the next one. After hard words, our second bit is what? Tick the correct answers. See here they have given questions and they have given options. You should choose the correct answer. What is the first question they have given? See here. Caterpillar eats this. They are asking what does the caterpillar eat. First option they gave us leaves. Second option is what? Nuts. And third option is bones. What does the caterpillar eat? Leaves. Okay, what does caterpillar eat? Leaves. So leaves is our answer. Caterpillar eats leaves. Now moving to the second one. Second question is what? This animal eats the remains of dead animals. Okay. Means the animals which eat the remains of dead animals are called as what I told? Scavengers. Here what is the scavenger? Vulture or bear or lion? Vulture is a scavenger. So our answer is what? Vulture. So vulture eats the remains of the dead animals. Okay. Next, third one. it gnaws its food with the help of its long and flat front teeth. That means what? Gnawing. Gnawing means what? Eating the food repeatedly. Which animal eats the food repeatedly, gnaws the food? Squirrel. Okay, odata antam kada, squirrel. So squirrel is our answer. Fourth one, see here, a frog has a option what? Teeth, B is sticky tongue, C is long tube. Frog will have what? Sticky tongue or teeth or long tube? Sticky tongue. Frog will have sticky tongue. Frog and lizards also will have the sticky tongue. With the help of the sticky tongue, what they will do? They will catch their prey and eat their food. Fifth one is what? Which of the following is a domestic animal? Domestic animal means what? The animals which we take their care. Okay, they can't take their care. We only see them, we only give them the food and water. So here which animal is the domestic animal? They gave deer, hyena and cow. Which is the domestic animal? Cow is the domestic animal. Okay. Cow is the domestic animal. See here all I am underlying, highlighting these answers you can see. First one, see. Caterpillar eats. Wait, I will erase and I will highlight all the answers so it will be easy for you. Okay. First one what, children? Now can you see? Caterpillar will eat leaves. So leaves is the answer. Second one what? This animal eats the remains of dead animal. That means scavenger. Vulture eats the dead animals. Next, third one is what? It gnaws its food with the help of its long and flat front teeth. Squirrel. Squirrel is our answer. B bit. Fourth one is a frog has a sticky tongue. This is our answer. Sticky tongue. Last one. Which of the following is a domestic animal? Means cow. Cow is our answer. Okay. You can note it down. See, in the video you can take the screenshot. If you want to write this, you can stop the video there and you can take the screenshot and you can write it. Okay. Now next bit. A bit, tick the correct answer is completed. Now we shall move to other bit. Wait friends. Okay. See, now we shall see the fill in the blanks. Can you see? First one, what is there? A fox is a dash as it feeds on the remains of the dead animals. They are saying what? A fox is dash as it feeds the remains of the dead animals. Fox is what? Scavenger. What is it? Fox is a scavenger. If you want spelling, I'll write here again. You see, SCA, VEN GER, scavenger. This is the first answer. First answer is what? Scavenger. A fox is a scavenger as it feeds on the remains of the dead animals. Okay. Second one. Now we shall move to second one. An elephant eats food and drinks water with the help of its dash. Elephant will eat food and drink water with the help of what? With its long trunk it will eat the food and it also drinks the water. What is the spelling? L-O-N-G, long, T-R-U-N-K, trunk. This is our answer. Moving to the third one. The earthworm dash the soil. I told, what does the earthworm do? Soil, will it eat or will it bite? Will it chew? No, it will swallow. Mingestadi. Okay, mattini direct ga mingesedi earthworm. Swallow. Swallow spelling is what? S-W-A-L-L-O-W. Okay, S-W-A-L-L-O-W. Fourth one. The sharp hollow teeth of a snake are called dash. What did I told? The sharp and hollow teeth of a snake are called what? Fangs. F-A-N-G-S. Fangs. I will write here. See fangs spelling. F. I told you fan spelling. You write first. F-A-N-G-S. Okay friends, this is the spelling of fangs. F-A-N-G-S. Next, last one is what? Dash animals depend on humans for food and other basic needs. Okay, which type of animals depend on us for food and other basic needs? Domestic animals. What is it? Domestic animals. See the spelling? D-O-M-E-S-T-I-C. I am saying again spelling, you see, D-O-M-E-S-T-I-C. Okay, I am erasing all this. You can see and write now clearly. Okay. Now we completed the fill in the blanks. Now moving to the next bit. Here what they have given the teeth of some animals. You should observe that whether the teeth structure is of herbivorous animal or carnivorous animal or omnivorous animal. Here first type of teeth, if you see what are there, all the teeth are very sharp and they are flat. Flat means all are equal, evenly they are there. So this type of teeth, which animals will have? Herbivorous animals. This answer is what? First type of teeth structure of which animals? Herbivorous animals. That means plant eating animals. All the plant eating animals teeth these are. Okay. Next one. This teeth is what? Which type of animals? Omnivorous. Omnivorous means what? The animals which eat both the plants and flesh. These omnivorous animals will eat the plants and animals also. So these are the teeth of the omnivores. O-M-N-I-V-O-R-E-S. Next, this type of teeth is what? Carnivorous animals. See, this is the, you can see the tiger picture now here. This is a tiger. So this tiger will eat what? Flesh. It will hunt and kill the other animals and eat. So this type of animals are what? Carnivorous animals. Okay, these are carnivorous animals. Okay, now moving to the next bit. D bit. I will zoom it, right? See. What did they give here? True or false? First question is, what did they give? They are saying the horse is an omnivorous animal. Is it right? No. False. Yes or no? Horse will eat flesh of other animals? No, it will eat only grass. Yes or no? The horse is not an omnivorous animal. So you should write here false. You can write false. F you can write as F. Okay, false, no? F. If it is true, put as T. If it is false, write as F. Now moving to the second question. Herbivorous and carnivorous have different tooth structures. Yes or no? Yes, they both will have different tooth structures. So answer is true. Write it T. Both will have different type of teeth, no? Now moving to third one. The long sucking tube of a bee is called proboscis. Yes or no? Butterfly will have long sucking tube, I told. That is called as proboscis. Yes, they have given true. So write there T. Since true, I wrote T. Fourth one is what? A bear is a domestic animal. No. False. Bear is an omnivorous animal. Yes or no? It will eat what? Plants and flesh. It is a domestic animal. Will we take and keep it in our homes? No, we won't keep. It is not a domestic animal. What are the domestic animal? Cow, goat, sheep. Such type of animals are called domestic animals, but not the bear. So answer is false. Now last one. Some people keep fish in a bowl. Yes or no? Yes. They will keep, some will keep fishes in the bowls also. So it is true. Now you can note it down. Okay. Now moving to the next one. Match the following they have given. See. First one, what did they give? Carnivore. Carnivorous animal means flesh eating animals. Among these 5 animals, which animal will eat the flesh? Which animal will eat the other animal? Tiger. Will tiger kill the deer and eat or not? Yes. So carnivorous animal will come under the tiger. Next, herbivorous animals means plant eating animals. The animals which eat only plants are called herbivorous animal. Will deer eat plants only or not? Yes. Deer is a herbivorous animal. Okay. Wait. Once again I am drawing, friends. Herbivorous will come under the deer. Next, omnivorous means the animals which eat both the plants and flesh. I told for you crow and bear will eat both the plants and flesh also. So, omnivorous will come under the bear. Next, scavenger means what? The animals which eat the dead animals are called scavengers. So, scavenger is what? Hyena. Hyena is an example of a scavenger. Yes or no? Yes. Next one is what? Domestic animal. Cow is a domestic animal, right? So, domestic animal will go under the cow. These are the answers. Okay, you can note it down. Now, moving to the next bit. Okay, by this we completed the bits. Now we shall move to question answers. Okay, in question answers, two types will be there. Short answers are there and long answers are there. First, I am showing you short question answers. See here. See here, friends. First one is what does the size and shape of the teeth of animals depend on? Means what? The teeth of animals depend upon what of the size and shape they are asking. They depend on what? Feeding habits. Here whole what is there in the question only you copy. What and does you remove. Then you write same copy here. The size and shape of the teeth of animals depends on what their feeding habits. Okay, on what type of food they eat, like plants or flesh, according to their size and shape of their teeth of animals will be there. Okay, here what you need to learn means feeding habits is the answer. Okay, now moving to the second question. Here what did they give? Say what is the repeated biting or nibbling of food called? What is the process of repeated biting or nibbling of food is called? I told gnawing. So our answer is what? Gnawing. Just don't write in one word, you should write in one sentence. What all will be there in the question only. You should write the repeated biting or nibbling of the food is called as gnawing. Okay. Now moving to the third question. See here. What is there? What are human beings? Herbivores, carnivores or omnivores? They are asking. What are the human beings? They are herbivores or carnivores or omnivorous? Omnivorous animals because they eat both plants and animals. I wrote see here. Human beings are omnivorous as they eat both plants and animals. Now moving to the next question. Name a bird that can mimic the human voice. Okay, like our voice only they can speak. Which bird is that? I told you in the lesson. Parrot. Okay, you should write parrot is a bird that can mimic human voice. If you say any words for parrot repeatedly, it can also speak. Okay. Now last question is what? Name any one animal which can be kept as pet at home. Okay. Many pets will keep. Yes or no will keep dogs, fishes. Yes or no? So here what is the answer? Dog. Dog is an animal which can be kept as a pet at home. You can note it down. You can take a screenshot and zoom and write. Okay. Now the last bit is what? Long question answers. See. First question is what, friends? I will zoom it. Wait. Can you see now? First question, see what is there? What is a herbivorous animal? Herbivorous animal means what? I told plant eating animals. So what is the answer? See, animals which eat only plants are called herbivorous animals. I am repeating, see, animals which eat only plants are called herbivorous animals. Examples are cow, sheep, deer, elephant, etc. Okay. Now we shall move to the second question. What is a carnivorous animal? Carnivorous animal means animals that eat the flesh. Flesh eating animals are called carnivorous animals. Animals which hunt and eat other animals are called carnivorous animals. Examples are lion, eagle, cheetah, etc. Now we shall move to third question. Can you see, friends, third question now? I'll move up. Okay, this is the third question. What do you understand? What do you understand by chewing the cud? What did I told for you about chewing the cud? Some animals like cow, camel swallow their food without chewing it. Yes or no? These animals, cow and camel, what they will do without eating or biting? First they will swallow their food directly. Next, after some time, they bring it back to their mouth and chew it well with their grinding teeth. This process is called chewing the cud, and such animals are called ruminants. Here nothing is there, children. See, some animals like cow and camel, what they'll do when they find their food, they doesn't chew or bite it. First they will swallow it. They will send into stomach, and after some time when they are feeling hungry, they'll bring that food back into the stomach. Into the mouth. From the stomach they'll bring that food back into the mouth, and at that time they will chew the food with the help of the grinding teeth. And this whole process only is called as what? Chewing the cud. And such type of animals are called as the ruminants. What? Ruminants. Okay. Now we shall move to the next question. What is there here? How do snakes kill their prey? This is the fourth question. Okay. How do snakes kill their prey? Prey means what? Their food. Snakes kill their prey with the help of their sharp and hollow teeth called fangs. Okay, with the help of these fangs, they will kill their prey and eat. We shall move to the last question. Fifth question, see here. I am zooming it. Write any two ways. Write any two ways for taking care of domestic animals. First one is what? Their shelter should be cleaned regularly. Shelters means what? Where they live. Their homes only are called as the shelter. Suppose cow is there. What is the shelter of cow? Cow shed. Horse is there. Its shelter is what? Stable. Like that. Okay. Every time, every day we should clean their shelters properly. Next one is what? They should be provided with clean and fresh water. Okay. Daily we should give them clean water which are fresh. You should not think these are animals only. No, if you give dirty water, what will happen? You should not do like that. If you give them proper and nutritious food and clean water only, they can be healthy without getting any diseases. Okay, by this we have completed the whole notes of the first lesson. If you are having any doubts, you can take a screenshot and you can write it. Whenever you want, you can listen this class again and again. Thank you, friends. Please stay at home and be safe. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel, that is Smart Study.